Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: churches that help with car repairs near you. Many churches recognize the challenges faced by individuals and families who struggle with car repairs. Our first stop is St. Vincent de Paul, one of the oldest and largest churches in the country. When you are helpless and cannot afford to manage your car repair costs, you can seek help from this faith community. You might feel helpless because you can't fix your car, but don't worry, because you can ask St. Vincent de Paul for help with car repairs. The best thing about the faith-based organization is that it has partnered with various local parishes so that every person in need is offered assistance with car repairs. Catholic charities should be your priority when looking for churches that help with cars. There are many pragmas and plans for low-income people who cannot afford car repair costs, house rent, daily food, and other means of subsistence. People in financial difficulty can also get help to repair their cars. Visit local Catholic charities and submit your appeal with the appropriate documents if you need your car repaired. Lastly, you can check for car ministry program. Churches and charities are how help can be found. It is a regional church membership program that extends a helping hand to those in need. They have volunteers who are committed to helping the poor with car repairs. Another effective program that provides donated cars to low-income families is the Car Department program. Apart from this, there is also a car repair assistance program designed for low-income families and people who are unable to repair their car. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you know of any other churches or organizations that offer car repair assistance, please share them in the comments below. Visit our website getgovgrants.com for more information. Lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.